Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll discuss about one important DAX function, which is called the filter. Right? The filter function is a table function in the sense that it will take input as a table with filter arguments, and the output of the filter is always a table only. Okay, and this function is something like it will use to provide a extra level of filter to the formula where you are working on, right? But as per the Microsoft documentation, this documentation is saying that for the best practices, avoid using the filter as filter argument. So many comparisons will be there here. So don't use, he's saying that don't use the filter like this instead of using all these steps, right? But what is the scenario where you can bound to use this filter function? That we will explain you, that I will explain you with this video, right? Let's see. So suppose, so this is a category and a net sales. So what I need to do it is in this case is that I want to calculate my net sales based on customer region, okay, and my product category. So it means like product category equals to furniture, and let's take the customer segment, anything we'll take it, okay. Let's take customer segment equals to corporate, okay. So let me put it my notepad here first of all. So we need to calculate net sales for category, product category as a product variable, and segment corporate. Okay, this we will calculate, and finally we will do a OR also for this. Okay, and segment equals to corporate. This two we'll try it out. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so let's go to my measure table. Okay, let's create a net sales filter example. Right, okay, so let's do that. Calculate. Okay, I'll calculate my net sales based on two conditions. What are the two conditions? First is product equals to category and segment equals to corporate. Okay, the first filter it is coming from my product category equals to my furniture. Alright, then second argument it will be comma. I will say segment, customer segment equals to corporate. corporate, corporate. Now if you enter this, this will work out. Okay, so you can pull it this to your data and you can see the results here. Alright, so this is fine. And whenever you are putting a comma after the second argument, these two conditions are nothing but your AND. Okay, always. But if you want to explicitly put the AND operator, just like we have AND operator in my uh, in DAX, right? So that is my AND operator here. So just like this. This is my AND operator. Now if you enter this result, it will throw an error. What is saying that the expression in a single filter, this is a single filter, right? In a single filter, when you are writing the expression, and if you are using the AND operator, then both the column should come from the same table. If it is coming from different table, then it will not work out. So for the AND, we have a solution. What is the solution? Just now I did it. So we can just put it a comma and go to the second filter. So there is two filters now. The first filter is this, second filter is anyway, internally they will do the AND operation and it will give the result properly. But what else for the OR? Suppose the same formula I want to do the or. For the or, I can put comma because if you put a comma, that will the end. So, but if I root the or here, or is or for the or, at any cost, I need to use my or operator only. So in this case, it will throw an error because just like the end, same for or. The or operator will work if the both the columns are coming from same table. Okay, and this is the one scenario where I want to use my filter function. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a table of category and customer segment, virtual table, where I will store these two column inside that. So I can say that these two column are available in a single table. Then I can apply the filter from both steps. That I can do that. This is one example where you can use your filter function. Okay, let's do that. How to do that? Let me remove this. Now I will say after this I will take filter. Unless until it is not required, don't use the filter. Okay, so filter. Let's take I'm filtering my sales table. Then I have the two filters, right? Category. If you write the category, it will not come. Or even if you write the segment, it will also not come. How to take that? So we are filtering the sales table. How to get it? So I need to use one function called my related. So related means whatever the related tables is connecting to the sales. Sales is connected to the customer. Sales is connected to the product. All these things, and sales is also connected to the date. All the related tables to the sales, all the columns you will get it here. We see customer, product, dates, all these things, right? So from here I will say product category equals to furniture, I guess, right? I don't know. Let me check. Furniture. Mm, yeah, furniture only. Okay. Then I'll put a or condition here. And in filter, we can't put the second filter. It is not possible. Just remember that. You can't put comma. Because in the filter is not the two filter. It is only one filter expression. So you should be careful on that. Okay. So or operator. Then I will put again related segment. Customer segment equals to my corporate. Right. So this is if you enter now, this will work out. Right. This is one of the use case of your filter function. Got it? Another example. Let's take I want to calculate or I want to count the products, okay, where the net sales is how much amount could be. Net sales is let's take 100,000 greater than 100,000, whichever is satisfied. I want to get that product name. Okay, so the question is let's take I want to count number of products where net sales is greater than 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so how we will do it? Let's create a measure here. So create a new measure. Product where net sales is greater than. And be specific on this. Okay. So now I will do calculate. Then I can say count or count rows, whatever you want to take it, just take it. Okay. It's your wish. So count rows of my product. Okay. Where net sales is greater than 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will do this like this. Now, if you enter it, again it will throw an error. The problem here is that I can't put directly the measure which is already calculated as a filter argument to the calculator. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is another scenario where you want to use your filter. Got it? So what I will do here, I will filter here, filter, I will do the sales table where the net sales is greater than 1000 or 100,000. In this way, I can create a table where the net sales are greater than 100,000, and this will pass on as a filter to the count rows of the product, and it will give you the number of products here. Alright, so this is the main two things where the filter function will be applicable. Okay, otherwise try to avoid the filter function whichever is required, something like this in this case. So this example also is given here, right, in the documentation. Don't use that. So something like this. Suppose you have a field calculate where you want to say the product equals to red. Don't do that just like this. Okay, because this is not required. So these are the two examples which I show you. First is referring of the measures. Second is where is that? Let me check net sales filter example. Wherever you want to use the column from different tables with an OR operator, because and we have option, but the OR operator, then you can use the filter function. Okay. So hope you like this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this, and do check out all the playlist. I'll put it in the description box. Thank you and have a nice day.